Good afternoon. It's September the 5th. This is our afternoon update on Tuesday. A very active day today in cotton, also in grains. And we're looking around the board at other markets that are seeing very big moves. Let's just start off by talking about cotton. Hurricane Irma forming in the Atlantic and moving toward the tip of Florida. As we see, the latest projections have got people very worried about the possibility of more damage being done to cotton somewhere in the southeast, and that is causing this market to move up sharply. The reaction today was December cotton was up the 300-point limit. That's December cotton. March cotton was up 250. May cotton closed up 230. So very strong reaction there. The market originally hit limit up this morning at 850 this morning, stayed there for about an hour and 45 minutes, backed off to where it was up 250, and then slowly throughout the rest of the day started moving back up again and hit limit again. So that's the high limit up, 74.88. The low is 72. Looking at grains, the grain markets today were led by soybeans. Soybean market is going to be closing up around 18 and a quarter. Corn was up and wheat was up, not as much. That is some concerns about some chance of frost on Wednesday night, and that has got that market also nervous. And there's more talk about the possibility of the low for the year being made already. We could have seen that a week and a half ago possibly in beans and last week in corn. It happened last year, and there's some thinking that maybe it's happened this year already. There was a lot of speculative short positions in grain, so we've seen quite a bit of covering of those shorts. We'll see if that market can find a way to continue to hold its ground and move up. Looking around the board, crude oil up quite a bit, the dollar down, precious metals are up, especially led by gold. Stock market's down, getting hit there. Let's look at some specifics. We've moved back past cotton into soybeans, up 18 and a quarter at 967 and 3/4, a high of 973 and a half. In November soybeans, a low of 952 and a quarter. December corn was up 3 and a quarter at 358 and a half. The high is 360 and a half. The low is 354 and 3/4. December wheat was up 4 and a quarter at 443, with a high of 446 and 3/4 and a low of 439 and a half. Looking at these outside markets, we've got the dollar down 26, but looking at crude oil, up $1.22 a barrel. That's a very big move up there. Gold up $14 an ounce. I think some of the unrest taking place in Asia, specifically with North Korea, is causing somewhat of a flight to safety there. The Dow Jones is selling off, and last trade is down 243 points. So here on Tuesday, a lot of movement, and we look forward to tomorrow morning to see if this follows through. Have a good evening, and we'll see you then. Thank you.